A major political storm erupted on the last day of the Madhya Pradesh Assembly's winter session after allegations surfaced that nearly 6 lakh trees were cut in Singrauli. The Congress accused that large-scale deforestation was allowed for Adani Group's coal mines. Congress MLA Vikrant Bhuria termed the action illegal and strongly targeted the government. Forest State Minister Dilip Ahirwar replied that trees were being cut according to rules and new saplings were also being planted. His statement angered Congress members including Jayawardhan Singh and Umang Singhar who raised several questions. Unsatisfied with the responses, they stake slogan and walk out of the house. The session was later adjourned indefinitely after passing the supplementary budget. The Madhya Pradesh winter session concluded after the Assembly passed a supplementary budget of over Rs 13,000 crore. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said that all issues were discussed in a healthy and comprehensive manner. He highlighted that the session also saw the inauguration of the Shikara project in Bhopal and amendments to the Municipal Act were passed. The CM stated that the government provided factual and logical answers to all questions raised in the House. He reaffirmed the government's commitment to public welfare schemes and said the session ended with constructive participation from members. A severe flight disruption crisis has hit Madhya Pradesh as Indigo continued to struggle with a major crew shortage. For the fourth consecutive day, more than 65 flights from the state were cancelled, including 44 from Indore, 18 from Bhopal and 5 from Jabalpur. Across India, over 1,200 flights have been affected in the last 72 hours, leaving lakhs of passengers stranded. Travelers complain they are neither receiving proper updates nor any assistance from the airlines. Many passengers have been waiting for more than 24 hours at airport. Chaos was reported from Indore, Bhopal and other terminals. Indigo has stated that the crew shortage will be resolved soon. Suspended Judge Viren Singh Rawat has received major relief after a district court granted him bail in a 2021 case. Rawat was accused of issuing a fake judicial order to grant bail in a forged marksheet case linked to a IS officer Santosh Verma. The alleged manipulation raised serious questions about judicial conduct leading to an inquiry and his suspension. The matter has resurfaced after the court's decision to grant him bail. Legal experts say the case may now move towards trial as more details could be examined. The development has again sparked discussion in legal circles about accountability within the judicial system. A huge farmer protest erupted in Sagar as the Congress held its Kisan Jan Akrosh rally. Hundreds of tractors filled the roads as farmers gathered to demand fair MSP relief from electricity and fertilizer shortage and compensation for crop losses. The rally started from Chir Bypass and reached the Krishi Mandi where former Minister Harsh Yadav accused the BJP government of adopting anti-farmer policies. Farmers raised 6 major demands including MSP of 2,400 for maize, Rs 3,100 for paddy and 6,000 for soybean, along with adequate electricity and fertilizer supply. Protesters also burned an effigy of Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and submitted a memorandum to the SDM. A shocking case of student assault has surfaced in Ashta Tehsil of Sihor district. A teacher at higher secondary school Kotri was caught on video brutally beating hostel girls for not completing homework. Nearly a dozen students suffered injuries and one girl reportedly fainted due to the assault. The video has gone viral, triggering outrage across the district. Accused teacher Kriti Shakya admitted to hitting the students but claimed she was being framed in a conspiracy. The Education Department has launched an immediate investigation and officials have visited the school to record statements. Parents are demanding strict action. A major cyber fraud has been reported from Gwalior where a KRG college professor was cheated of Rs 2.38 lakhs. The scammer called the professor pretending to be an acquaintance and claimed he was hospitalized and urgently needed money as his UPI was not working. Believing the story, the professor made multiple transfers. When he later contacted the real acquaintance, he learned the entire situation was fake. The professor filed a police complaint, after which the cyber cell began tracking the mobile numbers and transaction details involved. Authorities have warned people to be cautious of such emotional manipulation scam. Madhya Pradesh is experiencing clear skies and cool winter weather today. The afternoon stayed pleasant, but temperature will drop quickly after sunset. Major cities like Bhopal, Indore, and Jabalpur will see cool night conditions with temperatures falling close to 9 to 12 degrees Celsius. Early mornings will feel even colder, so people should wear warm clothes if stepping outside. No rainfall is expected, and tomorrow will also remain clear and mild sunshine. Overall, MP is seeing calm and dry weather with chilly nights and cool mornings across the state.